friends, it's Gwen and I am back today with another scrapbooking process video. Today's share is for Cocoa Vanilla Studio and I'm super excited because it's the first page that I have created with the new Sunkissed collection. So I do have a bit of a plan for this one, and it's not actually a summer page. It's an Easter themed layout today. Don't worry though, I do have a bunch of summer photos that I really want to scrapbook, and I know that this collection will be perfect for those. Oh yes, and please excuse my voice. I know I sound a little bit different to my normal self. I have been suffering quite a bit actually in the past few weeks with bronchitis. So yes, but I'm on the mend and I really didn't want you guys to miss out on this video, so I'm pushing through with my voiceover. Okay, so onto the layout, and the very first thing that I have done actually with this collection is fussy cut out all of the floral pieces from the Growing Wild pattern paper. It is beautiful. If you get one pattern paper from this collection, Growing Wild is the one you want. It is so lovely, and knowing my style, I actually did what I normally do and cut the frame, the outside frame border from that pattern paper, which is actually what you see in the background there. And then I used that whole center part and just fussy cut out as many florals as I possibly could. And they're now all in a nice little baggie ready for me to use as embellishments for my upcoming projects. And in fact, I've used two of them on this layout. So that bottom floral cluster there on the right, those are all fussy cut from that pattern paper, except for that blue one that's on the top. And the smaller embellishment cluster in the top left hand corner of the photo, that's actually fussy cut from that pattern paper as well. Now the cut file that I'm using today is called Easter Basket and it is from Cut to You, and I have gone ahead and backed that in a couple of pattern papers. So the first one is the pink ombre, so it goes from that red at the bottom of the basket all the way through to a lovely warm yellow at the top of the bow there. That one's called Summer Lights. And then I've used the blue ombre in some of the eggs within the basket, and that one is called Good Vibrations. And then the other elements in the eggs there I've backed with pattern papers from the paper stack in the collection. So that's a really great option too, because it has some exclusive patterns in that paper pad that aren't in the 12 by 12 sheets. Including the little blue spots on that egg on the right there. Oh yes, and I have also used an exclusive pattern paper to back my photo for this one. So this is a picture of my daughter Caitlin from quite a few years ago actually, and it is on Christmas, oh not Christmas, Easter morning. Easter morning, and she's just seen all of her beautiful goodies left by the Easter Bunny. So the title for my page is actually going to be Easter Morning, and I do end up using some of the thickers just from my stash for this one. There are foam title stickers in the collection and they're really lovely, but they were just summer themed, and because this is a summer collection and I'm kind of twisting it into an Easter themed layout, there wasn't anything that really fit. So I thought, you know what, just stash bust a little bit, grab a couple of thickers from my stash and get them on the page for the title. Now it's at this point that the page is really starting to feel like it's coming together. I have locked in the position of my photo there, it's going on the left, and the idea for the way that your eye will travel around the page will be top left hand corner of the photo down to the bottom right hand side of the page there where my title and that main floral cluster is going to be. And I'm just looking now at adding my layers. So I'm going to add in some more die cut pieces. There is a gorgeous floral die cut pack that's part of this collection, so I'm adding a few elements from that. I've also got some wood embellishments that I am adding. I've got one I think in the bottom cluster, yep, and one in the top cluster. I'm adding some cute little tabs. The top one there says "So Happy," And also, I'm going to fuss a little bit with these typed sentiment stickers, and those ones are from the accessory sticker sheet. I love these, and I use them on every page that I make pretty much. And I just actually add a little bit of foam tape behind them, and it just pops them up just a little. And I really love I love how they kind of finish off a page, and how the sentiments in them can really kind of support your story and can support the theme and the ideas that you're trying to share in your layout. This collection also has puffy stickers, and they are so cute. I actually added, oh, quite a few. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Six to this layout. Really cute little flower elements, and some of the leaves there in that top cluster, they're puffy stickers. And they're just soft and squishy and gorgeous, and I love them. I'm going to need 10 packs of those. I'm going to finish off the layout by adding in a couple of die cut heart elements, and yeah, I'll call the page done. If you like the way that I scrapbook, or the way that I chat about the way that I scrapbook, I would love it if you would give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, feel free to subscribe, and then you can see more videos just like this one. I will also leave you with some close-up images here at the end of the video. Thanks so much for joining me today, my creative friends, and I will see you next time. Bye!